Have you seen the new girl in school?
No, I haven't.
She's really pretty.
Describe her to me.
She's not too tall.
Well, how tall is she?
She's about 5 feet even.
What does she look like, though?
She has pretty light brown eyes.
I may know which girl you're talking about.
So you have seen her around.
Yes, I have.
There's a new girl in school. Have you seen her yet?
I haven't seen her yet.
I think that she is very pretty.
Tell me how she looks.
She's kind of short.
What height is she?
She's probably about 5 feet.
That's nice, but tell me what she looks like.
The first thing I noticed was her beautiful brown eyes.
I think I might have bumped into her before.
Are you telling me that you've seen her before?
I believe so.
Have you met the new girl?
No, have you?
She's one of the prettiest girls at the school.
What does she look like?
Well, she's quite short.
How tall would you say that she is?
I would say she's only 5 feet.
What about her facial features?
She has light brown eyes, absolutely beautiful.
I think I know who you're talking about.
Have you seen her?
I think that I have.